Refinement and technology meet a thrilling drive like never before with the all-new 2023 Toyota Crown. This premium hybrid completely reimagines the sedan for a whole new generation. With a modern silhouette sporting expressive design from bumper to bumper, and Toyota's first ever Hybrid Max high-performance powertrain available under the hood. Let's find out more. Toyota Crown keeps its lineup streamlined with just 3 choices: XLE, Limited, and Platinum. Each grade sports a bold and defined exterior punctuated by serious style, like a sculpted front fascia that houses LED headlamps, quad beam in the case of Limited and Platinum, while a horizontal LED array continues Crown's distinctive design across the rear. At nearly 4 inches taller than a typical sedan, Crown gives an impression of a fastback crossover, while still offering the driving experience and trunk of a true sedan. On the ground, wheel sizes run up to a massive 21 inches, by far the largest offered on a Toyota sedan to date. Crown also offers a range of premium exterior color options, including bi-tone configurations with black upper body panels, like the hood and roof. These stylish exterior details highlight Crown's smart and sophisticated design, and the story is the same on the inside. The Toyota Crown delivers a range-topping in-cabin experience with attention to every detail. Simply stepping in, the increased ride height is immediately obvious, inspiring confidence and offering a sense of increased presence behind the wheel. Similarly, Crown doesn't disappoint when it comes to offering spaciousness, both in the cabin and in the trunk, with over 15 cubic feet available for cargo. In here, premium is the name of the game wherever you look, from the soft-touch materials to the available fixed panoramic roof. And for added comfort, Crown serves up available features like a heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats, and even heated rear seats. But it's not all about design and creature comforts. Crown also brings the performance to match. Behind the wheel, Toyota Crown's exhilarating power and handling lets drivers truly take control. XLE and Limited feature Toyota's latest hybrid system design, which has 236 net horsepower and an impressive manufacturer-estimated fuel economy rating of 38 mpg combined. Add to this the exceptional stability of standard all-wheel drive, and you get a perfect balance of efficiency and performance. But it doesn't stop there. Say hello to the Hybrid Max powertrain, available exclusively on the Platinum grade. This all-new turbocharged hybrid system has a whopping 340 net horsepower and an estimated 28 miles per gallon combined rating. Platinum further ups the ante with features like an adaptive variable suspension system and a high-output e-axle rear motor system, all of which comes together to ensure the right balance between great performance and refined road manners, whether carving up back roads or commuting around the city. The Toyota Crown is not shy about using advanced tech to reinforce its driver-centric experience. There's a standard 12.3-inch digital instrumentation panel to keep crucial info clear and visible, and a 12.3-inch audio multimedia touchscreen to keep favorite content just a tap away. Showcasing Toyota's latest generation audio multimedia system, Crown features standard compatibility for wireless Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. To make the most of these features, Crown can also be equipped with an 11-speaker JBL premium audio system. Crown's got connections too, with trials to Toyota's line of advanced connected services, including a digital key function as part of an active Remote Connect trial or subscription that provides Toyota app users with the same functionality of a key fob in a smartphone. And speaking of smartphones, Crown of course comes standard with Qi wireless charging capability. This convenience tech doesn't stop inside either, with an available advanced park system that can make parking a cinch. All this tech considered, it's clear that the Toyota Crown is all about serving up a premium experience. With the Toyota Crown's emphasis on performance and technology, it should come as no surprise that a range of advanced safety and driver assistance features comes standard. To that end, the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite offers great peace of mind and confidence through features like a pre-collision system, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. There's also standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert, as well as an available bird's-eye view camera with perimeter scan, and available front and rear parking assist with automated braking. This comprehensive safety story means Crown is ready for whatever the day may bring. The all-new 2023 Toyota Crown takes Toyota's commitment to quality, durability, and reliability and elevates it to new heights. With its standout design, premium experience inside the cabin, and exhilarating performance on the road, Toyota Crown is the sedan reimagined.